Two Airforce of Zimbabwe AFZ pilots reportedly lost their lives when a military helicopter crashed in Mashingo on Sunday. Sanabila mashoko arikubuda panapa achiexposa kuti aiwa two AFZ pilots they lost their lives. Sanabila mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa according to the crash yakaitika mashoko anodiwa subscribe or like on the bell. Kutimina mega mchinzi. The ill-fated chopper had initially been assigned to transport VP Constantino Chiwenga in the security detail to an official event. However, the vice president opted not to use the helicopter allegedly after receiving intelligence of a possible assassination attempt. While the FZ yet to officialize confirm the death, early reports suggest that both pilots were killed in the crash. The pilots actually lost their lives. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who skipped the event, was said to be attending a family function in Bulawayo at the time of the incident. The crash occurred under mysterious circumstances shortly after President E.D. Mnangagwa's birthday celebrations at the historic Rezenburg Monuments. ZimEye is currently gathering more details on the reported deaths and will provide updates as soon as new information becomes available. Thomas Karubuda Panapa achiexposewa kuti aiwa yakanga itori trap yakanga itori assassination. Lozari kune vamwe anova mashoko emufaro, kune vamwe anova mashoko ekusuwa. Tichiona kuti aiwa this VP anokutiwa this trip. Tichiona kuti anopukunyuka. Aiwa tichiona kuti aiwa tonoti kana vari vadzimu vake kana mwai vari kuramba kuti aiwa nguva yake utachienda isati yakwana. Mashoko madevelopments ari kubuda tiriona panapa tichiona kuti aiwa zvakuitika manje panapa zvatombogara kutaura panapa tichionesana kuti aiwa ropa risati rapera kuenda 2028 vakumanaka vanhu muchambonzwirira. Pinenge kumese kishemedudza mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.